The 40-volt cordless lawnmower. It's pretty awesome. So here we have it. So easy. A 3-year-old can do it.
Okay, press the button and pull back. Okay, hold on.
Whoops.
No.
You just have
Press
to
the
do
button. Hold it. Now press back. There you go.
And it starts.
Okay, push it. Yeah, you're not strong enough to push it.
Almost. That is the quietest lawnmower I have ever heard. And it's so light. It's our new toy. Yeah, our toys are lawn care products. Yay!
All done.
Yay! So what do you think about your new toy?
It'll take a little bit longer to mow because it's skinnier, but it's light, quiet, and easy. I guess we don't got a big lawn.
True, the Ryobi 40-volt.
Yep.
It was pretty easy to put together too. So over here, we forgot to mow this part the last time we mowed. So he just raised it. There's one handle to raise all 4 of the tires. Okay, turn. So it might take a little bit more over here because it's longer, but you just had to raise it up and it's going pretty good. It's not really dying. So, this was a good little thing to buy. So far, we like it. We give it a thumbs up.